Hello guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you how to make a pencil sketch video effect using PowerPoint. Open PowerPoint, click blank presentation, click layout. Now close this first, choose layout and click blank. Now insert our video on my PC. Okay, now we're going to screenshot this. Click slideshow from beginning and press print screen. Print screen is the screenshot. Escape. Let's have a new slide. Drag our video down. The first slide, let's paste picture. Now we have the first picture, and then click format, artistic effects, and choose this. Choose pencil grayscale. Now let's put animation. Choose fade. Start with previews. Duration is 1 second. Okay, now let's paste the picture again. Control V to paste. Let's align center and align middle. Now go to artistic effects again and choose pencil sketch. Click animations, fade. Start is after previews. Duration 1 second. Now let's paste the picture again. Let's align center and align middle. Now click artistic effects and choose cut out. Click animations, fade, start after previews. Duration is 1 second. Now last one, I'm going to paste it again. Format, align center and align middle. Click artistic effects, choose paintbrush, click animations, fade. Start is after previews 1 second. Okay, we're done with our pencil sketch, and let's have a preview. Next, click the video, animations, and choose none. Then cut, Control X to cut video and paste it on slide 1. Control V to paste. Now let's put animation. first animation, choose fade, start. After previews and duration is 50 seconds, that's fine. Click it again. Let's add animation, choose play. Start is after previews. Let's have a preview. Let's delete this second slide first. Let's have a preview slideshow from beginning. Alright, that's great. And now insert the audio, background music, audio on my PC. Choose your file and insert. Choose play in background. Uncheck loop until stop. And I wanted to put it here. And my audio is 1 minute long, so I'm going to trim this. I think the video is around 15 seconds. Make it 15. Okay. Let's have a preview. So that's it, guys. Now let's export. Click create a video, full HD, create video. Pencil sketch. Save it on your videos. Save. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.